T9 Pro. This is a unibody aluminum framed flashlight. Feels really nice in your hand, very slim and pretty lightweight. To get power into this, use a USB-C, which they supply a cable, and they also have a tether here. Along with the tether, you have a clip, and you have a pocket clip, and you have a hat clip. So this is a clip that you could clip onto your hat and shine beam ahead. You have a magnet on the back, which is really nice. You work on your car, you can stick that to the hood or whatever. You have basically two places where light comes out. You have light on the side and light on the front. I'll show you. We have 3 buttons here and very intuitive design, right? So you don't have one button that does like, you have to hold it 6 times and do a dance and it does something. Nope, you hit the front button and the front light comes on. This is a UV light. If we hold the UV light down, it becomes a laser pointer, right? Now, if I go to the next light or the next button down, right? Then that turns on the front light. So I go through 3 white light modes. 1, 2, 3, okay? If I hold that button down, that gets me the strobe, which is my least favorite of all of them, okay? Then you have your last one, which is your very bright light on the side, which is really neat because you could magnetize this to your car or what have you if you were in a distress situation, right? Because if you double tap that, you get a red blinking light, which I think is a really nice thing to have, that ability to kind of show like, hey, something's not right. You have 3 different modes, so if you just click them, right, you go through your 3 different brightnesses, low, medium, high. We're now gonna see what this looks like in a very dark setting. So this flashlight's very nice, like the different features of it, right? So let's put on the UV light. I'm trying to see if I have anything that's glowing. Yeah, like look, someone spilled something on my steps there. Pretty gross, embarrassing. Now let's look at the lights, right? So lowest setting, medium setting, highest setting, America, right? Next setting is our side light. So the side light, you know, could be put down like this. Sorry, that's extremely bright. Or, you know, let's do this. So like that, and then like that. This is also magnetic, like I said, so it will stick to something that is steel. Pretty neat. If I'm working up here, I can put this on here and work up there. Having a magnet on your light is always awesome, as well as the clip. So this is the WARSUN T9 Pro. Sorry, I'll try not to blind you. Very nice flashlight. I'm really enjoying it, and it feels really good in your hand. The serrated sides basically keep it smooth, but, you know, sticky enough so you don't drop it. So I really like that. Sorry, I'm trying to not blind you guys, but I also can't see down here. So there we go. That's the light. Check it out. And, oh, what is that? Oh, that's pretty neat. This UV light is pretty neat. I'm sitting on these shocks. There should be oil leaking out of these old boxers. I don't see them. All right, cool. Got it.